In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete tags on a Files app on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up Files app. If some another folder is open, then first off you need to head over to the browse screen, which is kind of a home page for the Files app. To do that, I'm gonna tap right here, and you need to tap at the top left corner all the time until you get to the browse page. And then if you scroll down here at the bottom, you will find all your tags in that list. If it doesn't show you any tags here, just tap at this arrow next to tags. And that's where we can see all our tags. And now if you would like, let's say, to remove some tag from here, all you have to do is just drag it to the left. That will show you that delete option. If we hit add delete, it will immediately remove this tag from that list, and also it will remove the particular tag from all the files or folders that were marked with that tag. Basically, guys, that's how it can be easily done, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.